So today is gonna be a short vlog. We're gonna, what is that? Is that a lizard in my house? I'm gonna try to catch it. Okay, got it. No, it's just my bearded dragon. Yeah, okay. So yesterday he actually kind of like went a little crazy. He freaked out a bit. I'm not sure why, but I guess it happens sometimes. So anyways, today it's gonna be a short vlog. We're going to a dog cafe in Bangkok here. Sorry, my hair is a little messed up. They have like small dogs, big dogs, medium-sized dogs, cats, rabbits, and chameleons. We'll just see like a little montage. I'll give you some facts if I can. So let's go. So I've actually been researching about reptile morphs, ball pythons, and bearded dragons actually. I think I figured out that this one didn't cost too much because I'm pretty sure it is a hypo and a dunner, so two genes. And I'm pretty sure those are like not very expensive. So the hypo is short for hypomelanism, so they will produce less melanin, which is like stuff that makes them kind of like dark and black. So you can see, not right now, but usually he'll be more brighter in color. And his nails, there are can't focus on this thing. So his nails are basically kind of like translucent, like, and usually they will have like a black like line running down. For the dunner, dunners have these spots right here, and they will have kind of like a color down the spine just like this, which contrasts with like these colors. The spikes of the beard won't go all the way down. It will kind of like spread out a little bit. The belly should be somewhat unorganized, but I can't really tell. That's another interesting thing that I learned. So we're about to head out after lunch, so we're gonna get lunch and we'll see you there. Dạ con hả? of everything. It was really fun to stay for like 3 hours. We just went home, got the drinks. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed being there. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss another video. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. The camera is like covered in dog saliva and I don't even know. So I'm gonna wash this. I'm gonna go take a shower. We'll see you in the next one.